how to generate research proposal title using Chat GPT. Hello, and welcome to our channel. I'm Dr. Trevo, and I'm thrilled to have you here. Today's video is a game changer for students, researchers, and academics alike. We're diving into how to generate a powerful research proposal title using Chat GPT. Yes, you heard right. We're using the power of AI tools to take the stress out of brainstorming research topics. If you've ever struggled to find a unique, relevant, and researchable title for your thesis, dissertation, or proposal, then this video is exactly what you need. Whether you're writing a final year project, thesis, or dissertation, one of the hardest steps is choosing the right topic. But what if I told you AI could help you do it better, faster, and smarter? In this video, I'll show you how to generate a compelling, well-defined research topic using Chat GPT. Stick around, because I'll also give you the perfect prompt you can use, no matter your field or study level. Section 1. What to look out for before choosing a topic. Before you jump into generating a research topic, here are 4 important things you should consider. 1. Relevance. Does the topic address a real issue or problem in your field? 2. Feasibility. Can you access the data, time, or resources needed? 3. Originality. Is the idea fresh or has it been overused? 4. Clarity and focus. Avoid vague or overly broad ideas. Be specific. You will need a topic that is interesting, manageable, and contributes something new to your field. Section 2. Using AI to generate a research topic. Now let's dive into how you can use Chat GPT to generate a great research topic using a programmatic prompt. This method helps the AI understand exactly what you're looking for. Here's the prompt template you'll be using. I am looking for a unique and relevant research topic. Here are the details. Field or discipline. Your field, level of study, undergraduate or master's, PhD. Area of interest, e.g., AI in education, mental health, climate change policy. Type of research, qualitative, quantitative, mixed methods, experimental, case study, etc. Please suggest 5 research topics that are specific, researchable, and aligned with current trends. For the above AI prompt, check the comment area below. Section 3. Step-by-step guide on how to use the above prompt on Chat GPT. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to using this prompt with Chat GPT. Step 1. Define your inputs. Think carefully and input your field of study, academic level, interest area, and research type. Prompt example. I am looking for a unique and relevant research topic. Here are the details. O field, public health O level, Master's O interest, impact of mobile apps on fitness, OS or type. Quantitative, please suggest 5 research topics that are specific, researchable, and aligned with current trends. Step 2. Enter the prompt into ChatGPT. Copy and paste the prompt template above on ChatGPT. Ensure you replace the answers with your actual info. See the result. Step 3. Evaluate the suggestions. Read through the 3 to 5 topics ChatGPT suggests. Check if they meet the 4 criteria we discussed earlier. Step 4. Refine if needed. Ask ChatGPT to expand, reframe, or narrow any topic you like. Can you make this topic more focused on a specific demographic? And that's it. With this prompt and a bit of critical thinking, you can stop staring at a blank page and start developing a research topic that excites you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart academic tips using AI tools like Chat GPT. Please subscribe for more research, writing training. Download the most complete and accurate Chat GPT prompt for research below. Thank you.